Hi students, we're working on a type of poetry today called Cinquain poetry. It's hopefully going to get you outside writing some poetry, so I'm really excited to show it to you. Alright, so in order to understand Cinquain poetry, I first want to talk about a big giant word called transcendentalism. So in a nutshell, this is a philosophical movement from the early 1800s, so like 1820s, 1830s. One of the biggest parts was that it connected the natural world to humanity, so to us. That natural world inspired a lot of poets and authors, such as Ralph Waldo Emerson and Henry David Thoreau. So we're going to become transcendentalist poets today. All right, so what you need to know about this type of poem. It's about someone or something. We're going to write about nature today. It's unrhymed, and it is 5 lines long. So it's not a very long poem, but each of those 5 lines has an assignment to them. So today you're going to attempt to write this type of poem. All right, so there is a template. Like I said, each line has an assignment, and I'm going to walk through each of these lines one by one. So line A, the first line, one vague or general one-word subject or topic. Remember, we're doing some kind of subject or topic in nature. So I did a picture of a forest here so you could see what I'm writing about. And so my one general word is forest. Line number 2, 2 vivid adjectives, describing words that describe the topic. So to describe my forest, I said warm and marvelous. For line number 3, 3 interesting ing action verbs. Those are action words that fit to the topic. Now, when we think of action words, we typically think of running or walking, but I want you to go a little deeper and think of what are some action words that connect to nature. So for a forest, I said changing, singing, and stirring. These are all sound and movement words that made me think of a forest. All right, for the 4th line, a 4-word phrase that captures feeling about the topic. So any 4-word phrase that says a little bit more about this topic. So I said depths that are unknown, because to me a forest is deep and there's a lot unexplored. And for the 5th and final line, a very specific term that explains line A. So remember, my line A was forest, and now I need something more specific. So I said redwoods, which is a type of forest, type of tree. So that's basically it. When I put the poem together, it looks like this. Forest, warm, marvelous, changing, singing, stirring, depths that are unknown, redwoods. So that's going to be kind of your goal today. You're going to want to look in Schoology for your assignment. Take some time, go outside, don't go anywhere public, but just go in your backyard or on your front step and look at something in nature to write this assignment. And as always, you can email me or catch me on Google Meet between 11 and 1 if you have any questions.